Before cleaning your Sceptre monitor, safety preparation is essential. Always power off your monitor completely and unplug it from the power source. Allow the screen to cool for 15 to 20 minutes. This prevents damage from cleaning a warm screen and ensures your safety. Use only safe, appropriate materials for cleaning. A lint-free microfiber cloth is essential for gentle dust removal without scratching the screen. For stubborn spots, use distilled water. Lightly dampen the cloth, never spray directly on the screen. For persistent stains, 70% isopropyl alcohol can be used sparingly. Always apply to the cloth, never directly to the screen. Avoid materials that can damage your screen. Paper towels and tissues can scratch the delicate surface. Never use household cleaners containing ammonia or abrasive materials. These can permanently damage anti-glare coatings and the screen's surface. Use proper cleaning technique to avoid damage. Clean in gentle circular motions, applying minimal pressure to prevent screen damage. Always spray cleaning solutions on the cloth first, never directly on the screen. This prevents liquid from seeping into the monitor and causing damage. Following these safe cleaning practices will protect your Sceptre monitor from damage while keeping it clean and clear. Remember, power off, use proper materials, avoid harsh chemicals, and clean gently. Beyond the screen, your Sceptre monitor's frame and stand also need regular attention. These components can accumulate dust and fingerprints that affect the overall appearance and functionality. Use a slightly damp microfiber cloth to clean the frame and stand. The key is minimal moisture. The cloth should be barely damp, not wet. For stubborn dirt on non-screen surfaces, you can use a mild soap solution. However, never apply this to the screen itself, only to the plastic frame and stand components. Critical safety point: ensure no moisture enters the ventilation areas. These openings allow heat to escape, and moisture can damage internal components. Always dry all surfaces thoroughly before reconnecting power. Any remaining moisture could cause electrical issues or component damage. Regular maintenance follows a simple schedule that prevents buildup and extends your monitor's lifespan. Different usage levels require different cleaning frequencies. Daily maintenance is simple. Use a dry microfiber cloth to remove dust. This prevents accumulation and keeps your screen clear. Weekly damp cleaning is recommended for regular users, while light users can extend this to bi-weekly. This removes fingerprints and stubborn dust. Monthly deep cleaning uses appropriate cleaning solutions for thorough maintenance. This keeps your monitor performing at its best. Before applying any new cleaning solution, always test it on a small, inconspicuous area first. This prevents potential damage to your monitor's finish. Following these cleaning and maintenance guidelines provides 3 key benefits: optimal display performance, protection of your investment, and maintained warranty coverage. Regular maintenance prevents costly repairs, ensures clear visibility, and keeps your warranty valid. A few minutes of care can extend your monitor's life significantly.